Hey everyone, Chris Dalton here again, and I'm back for another Adobe Lightroom 60-second edit challenge. Now I think I nailed the last one, so I'm excited to try it again today. I've been set the task of turning a standard sunset into a dramatic evening skyline. That shouldn't be too difficult, right? Well, let's find out. So what should I do to start with? Well, it's got to be the exposure first. Let's brighten this image up. Lower the highlights because it's really getting quite blown out when we do that. Bring up the shadows so the foreground starts to lift, and that's looking good. Now this dramatic sunset, that's only really going to come from the temperature. So we're going to go over higher Kelvin so we get that lovely yellow orangey sun. And I think we need a bit of vibrance in there again, so we're going to punch it a little bit more. And that's looking good. Now, color grading. Let's go into this in detail a bit because this is where you really start to pop the skies. I want to go into the highlights color and I'm going to drag that over into the oranges, and wow, yeah, you can see that really coming out now. That's looking good. Now I just want to do a very small crop. There we go, and I'm done. So that's another 60-second challenge, absolutely nailed. The image is a lot punchier, the colours are really vibrant, they're coming out now. And I found colour grading actually on this app is really easy to use. Really quick menus, and it's very fast. I'm Chris Dalton, and I just completed another Lightroom 60-second edit challenge. Why not click the link in the video description and download the app for free.